So hi all, my name is Pranav Purkar. I am currently pursuing my Masters in Computer Science and Engineering from IIT Bhubaneswar. This video is regarding how can you manage both DSA and GATE preparation together. I have also faced this problem during my GATE preparation time, as I have completely left the DSA for the whole BTech. So I faced many challenges when I started my MTech here. I just want to share a few points with you all so that you will not face such problems if you are in your third year or final year of your BTech and you have just started your GATE preparation. It will help you to not feel burdened while joining the MTech. Okay, here are some few points which you need to follow along during your GATE preparation so that you can practice DSA also, and you will have a basic understanding of how to code all the data structures and algorithms together. So it will not be a burden for you when you are going to start your MTech journey, right? The first point is, as most of the GATE aspirants, basically I'm speaking about computer science field. So you have started your GATE preparation from the subjects like engineering mathematics or either C programming, right? If you are starting with C programming, then you are going to data structures and algorithms. So what I will suggest is, when you are studying C programming, have a good understanding on that subject, okay? Because all the questions related to coding are based on C and not other languages, right? So you have to have a very good understanding in C programming. After that, whenever you are proceeding to data structures, proceeding to learning the data structures, so at that time what you can do is, you must have you must be aware of some sheets available, right, for coding. So I will name some, like there is one Lovebird DSA sheet also and Striver sheet also, right? So you can start with either of them, like take anyone and just keep practicing. See, there is a way on how can you practice and manage both the preparation timings. So what I will suggest is, let's say you are studying linked list in data structures, right? Pick the easy questions from this driver sheet and from the linked list topic, and start solving daily one question, only one question. Focus on just one question of linked list, and this way, if you can do, I think 5 or 6 months are enough to complete the whole sheet. And as it contains all the solutions also, you will have a good understanding on those topics, let's say linked list. So you will have a better understanding on how linked list works, how it is coded exactly, right? You must have seen some questions, like output based questions in the topic like data structures, C programming. So it will help you a lot in cracking those output based questions, because you will have a hands on all the uh, data structures out there. You we will not take much time in figuring out like what this code is doing or what the expected output is, right? Maybe if you haven't studied all those things, so you may not understand it right now here. Whenever you will explore those topics, you will understand it better, obviously. uh, so Make a list of all the topics which you are going to cover in data structures, and make sure that you cover at least easy and medium questions from the driver sheet. Leave the hard ones are not at all required here. Just focus on covering the easy and medium questions, right? It will definitely benefit you in whenever you are solving the gate questions, because when you go through the solutions which are provided in that sheet, you will get to know that there are many other approaches also, faster approaches which you can use to solve the similar question, right? In gate, basically what happens is, nowadays NET questions and MSQ questions are also coming. So it all depends on how fast you are able to interpret, and how fast you are able to solve that particular question. So it will eventually get better when you are like keep practicing all those coding questions daily. And I'm not saying like devote a lot of time from your gate preparation time, just focus on solving one or max two questions daily on daily basis, like on a particular topic, and you have to just cover easy and medium. I think it is very much doable in your in the span of I think 6 7 months. It is very much feasible to complete it, right? So I will strongly suggest this, please focus on solving easy and medium level questions from any of the sheets which you prefer. Okay, so try to complete that sheet in a span of 6 months. Like it is very much feasible to complete it, right? Now moving forward to algorithms, right? In algorithms you have many such topics like merge sort, quick sort, insertion sort. So you have so much of sorting algorithms also. If you are able to code it, then it is definitely, as I explained you earlier, it is very much easy for you to like interpret the questions which are given in gate easily, right? Which I experienced here after learning DSA. After coming to MTech, obviously I was very much late, so it took me a lot of time to cover up all those things. But after that I realized, like as I did DSA after my gate exam, so I missed on like so many things, so many approaches and all, which I think will definitely benefit in solving many of the complex and like hard to crack questions in gate, right? So it will definitely improve your problem solving as well. And it eventually you have to do coding only, right? So in the end like all is coding only. So it is better to that you will focus on coding initially. And yeah. What you have to do is you have to just focus 10% on the coding side, as I said, like you just have to solve one or two questions on daily basis, and 90% you should focus on gate only, right? And in the month of I think November or October, leave that coding part, just focus on gate and BYQs. So till October, till November you can code, and after that just leave it for 3 months, focus on gate questions, PYQs, test series and all, and revisions, mainly revisions. I will make a separate video on how to manage your revisions from the start of your preparation, so that you don't feel lag behind in your syllabus, right? So if you like complete all that coding stuff till October, then it will definitely it will not be much difficult for you to cope with the MTech curriculum here. And it will definitely give you a head start in your MTech. And mark my words, it is very much important. Like all the assignments, everything is based on coding only. So if you are well versed with all the coding concepts, and you have a good hands on in any coding language out there, you will easily pick up, you will easily like able to solve all the assignments and by yourself, which is definitely beneficial to you only, right? And it will help you in placements also. The last point is like after doing all this, you will definitely feel very much confident in your gate preparation as well, and you will not fear from all the coding questions which came in gate, right? So it gives us a sense of like fear, right? So what this code is doing, if you are not like very much familiar with all the syntax and all. So you will feel very much confident after solving all those questions, after practicing, after having a hands-on on all the coding exercises which are given in that sheet, right? So try to focus on solving the sheet. And yeah, I think that's pretty much for this video. And in the next video I will cover like how to schedule, or how to like manage all your revision, and what all types of revision you can do during your gate preparation, so that you don't feel lag behind, and also don't like forget any concept. Yeah. So yes, that's much for this video, and I think I've covered almost everything related to this DSA and gate preparation in this video. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. All the best.